Can you file for bankruptcy again if you've done it once already? Hi, I'm attorney Leroy Roberson, and I want to talk about this topic with you today. And the answer is you can file again if you filed for bankruptcy before. Now, there are certain time constraints that'll be put on you depending on what chapter you filed before, what chapter you're trying to file the second time. And so I'm going to kind of break it down a little bit so you know exactly what you're dealing with. So if you filed a previous Chapter 7 bankruptcy and you want to file a second Chapter 7 bankruptcy and you received a discharge. So everything that I'm going to talk about is determined on the basis that you received a discharge in your first case. So if you filed that Chapter 7 case and you want to refile for another Chapter 7 case and receive a discharge, you have to wait at least 8 years in between filings. For a Chapter 13 that you received a discharge on, you have to wait at least 2 years from the filing date. Now, all these are from the filing date as well, not your discharge date, but your filing date. So remember that. And let's talk about if you filed one chapter and now you want to file a different chapter and receive a discharge. So if you filed a Chapter 13 case before and now you want to file a Chapter 7 case, you have to wait at least 6 years in order to receive a discharge. And for a Chapter 7 case that you previously filed and received a discharge, and now you want to file a Chapter 13 case, that number is 4-year waiting period. So you have to wait at least 4 years. So I know there's a bunch of different years, but if you need to rewatch the video, go ahead and do that. But I want to jump now to a topic where, what if you filed for bankruptcy but never received an actual discharge? Now, under those situations, let's say you had a case dismissed for various reasons, or you voluntarily dismissed your case, or just, didn't receive a discharge for whatever reason. There aren't any time constraints placed on when you can refile that case. But the only thing you may want to remember in those situations is that the automatic stay, and if you want to know about that, go check out, I made some videos previously talking about that automatic stay. Go check those out. But you won't necessarily be guaranteed to have that automatic stay in place on a second multiple filing even if you didn't receive a discharge on that. So I hope that kind of clears up some things. Like I said, if you need to go back and rewatch just to make sure you got your time periods down so you know if you can file that second case to get a discharge, go ahead and do that. One other note, you may be asking, well, I received a discharge, but I also just need to file a second case because I have all this other debt and, or I have all these other issues going on that I need to deal with. I'm behind on my mortgage. They're going to foreclose on my home, and I just need to file bankruptcy for some protections. Check out another video. I'm going to make another video after this that goes into more detail on all of that. So make sure to check out that video. Like and subscribe on my YouTube page if you want to follow me, because all my videos are going to be posted there under Resolve Law Firm's YouTube page. So go ahead and check that out, and you'll be able to catch all of my videos. But that's it, guys. I hope I helped you on this. If you have any other questions, feel free to let me know and we can talk about it. If not, have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.